Good day, guys. Welcome to the Mizulele Tech. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can reset your Redmi phone. So first of all, go to your settings and click on factory reset. Then you see erase all data. You click on erase all data. Then your password will be required. That's your Me account password. Without this, you won't be able to reset the phone. This is like a security feature to prevent anyone from resetting your phone unknowingly or without your consent. So you can see here it's giving me a warning that my phone is about to do a factory reset. All my data will be lost. That I should select yes or I should cancel. So I've selected next and OK. So you make sure your important data are backed up because they will all be wiped away. So I click OK and wait for it to reset. So you can see it's loading. Usually take a few minutes depending on what is in your phone. There is the amount of files stored in your phone. You can see it, I start counting. So for the sake of this video, I have to skip the counting process. It has finished resetting and it's rebooting just like a brand new phone. You can see the setup is in progress. So just like your new device, you select your language and your country, your region. So mine is Nigeria. You agree to the terms and conditions. So you have to scroll through everything to assume you've read everything so you can be able to select. So it's checking for SIM card. There's no SIM card there. So you have to add network through Wi-Fi, or you can skip this process and accept every terms and condition. So wait for the thing to load completely. The setup is complete and the apps are loading. In a few seconds they will all come up. So this is it. All the apps have loaded completely and your phone is like a brand new phone. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.